What is SWP? SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan, is a regular monthly income from your hybrid mutual fund investment. Rental income isn't in anymore. These are the days of SWP. Liquidity property requires 3 to 6 months for converting into cash. SWP, converted into cash in 3 days flat. Paperwork property, lengthy and strict paperwork procedures. SWP, one can easily invest online. Repair and maintenance property, very costly. SWP, no need of repair and maintenance. Cost and hassles of income property, issues like negotiation and vacant periods in earning rental income. SWP, income directly credited in the bank. Taxes on income property, exemption 30% of income. Tax as per IT slab on 70% income. SWP, exemption up to rupees 1 lakh. LTCG, tax at 10%. Why to invest in property for rental income? Get both monthly income and capital appreciation by investing in MF through SWP route.